Hi, I'm Professor Daniele Manfredini from the University of Siena, Italy, Scientific Coordinator of the Italian Study Group on Craniomandibular Disorders, GSID. And it is with immense pleasure that I'm inviting you to follow this series of courses on dental occlusion. The course will be split in 3 parts, focusing respectively on the absence of relationship between dental occlusion, body posture and temporomandibular disorders, dismantling of false myth of clinical gnatology, and the role of the orthodontist in the practice of temporomandibular disorder patients. I think we are going to have fun together.